Hey there, space adventurers, it's your favorite cosmic guide, Cosmo Croc, and today we're asking one of the biggest questions in the universe. Are we alone? That's right, we're going on a journey to explore the search for extraterrestrial life. Is there anyone or anything out there beyond our little blue planet? Can life exist somewhere else in the vastness of space? Or are we the only ones in this big, mysterious universe? Explorers, we're about to embark on an epic adventure to find out the scale of the universe. Before we get into the search for aliens, let's take a moment to really think about how huge the universe is. It's almost impossible to wrap our heads around, but let's try. First, let's talk about stars. There are estimated to be about 100 billion stars in our Milky Way galaxy alone. And get this, our Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies out there in the universe. In fact, the total number of galaxies in the observable universe could be as high as 2 trillion. That's a lot of stars, and each one of those stars could have planets orbiting around them. Now, imagine that. Billions of stars with billions of planets. It's like a cosmic neighborhood, and we're just one tiny speck in it. If life exists somewhere out there, it could be on one of the trillions of planets that we've never even seen. So the question is, why wouldn't there be life somewhere else? And here's something even more mind-blowing. There are planets orbiting stars in the habitable zone. That's the Goldilocks zone, where conditions are just right for life as we know it. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right for liquid water to exist. And where there's liquid water, there's a chance for life to thrive. So if the universe is so huge and so many planets are in the habitable zone, doesn't it make sense that there could be other life out there? The Fermi Paradox. So we know there are a ton of planets out there, and some of them could be in the perfect zone for life. But if that's the case, why haven't we found any aliens yet? That's where the Fermi Paradox comes in. The Fermi Paradox is the question. If the universe is so big and there are so many planets where life could exist, why haven't we found any aliens? Why haven't we detected any signs of intelligent life? There are many possible answers to this, and scientists have come up with a few ideas to explain the paradox. One theory is that alien civilizations are too far away for us to detect. The universe is so vast that even if there are other civilizations out there, they could be light years away, making communication or travel nearly impossible. Another theory is that alien civilizations might be too advanced for us to detect. Maybe they figured out how to hide their signals, or they're using technologies we don't even understand yet. There could be alien life out there, but it's so different from us that we can't recognize it. And then there's the more chilling theory. Maybe advanced civilizations destroy themselves before they can make contact. Perhaps civilizations tend to self-destruct after reaching a certain level of technological advancement, which could explain why we don't hear from them. Whatever the reason, the Fermi Paradox reminds us that the search for extraterrestrial life is still full of mystery. But don't worry, we haven't given up yet. We've still got plenty of tools to look for signs of life out there. Tools for the search. Now let's talk about the tools we use to search for extraterrestrial life. Scientists have some pretty amazing gadgets to help us look for life out there. One of the most important tools we have is the SETI program, the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence. This program uses huge radio telescopes to listen for signals from alien civilizations. These telescopes scan the sky, searching for any strange, repeating signals that might come from intelligent alien life. So far, we haven't found anything conclusive, but scientists are always on the lookout for something strange. Another amazing tool is the Kepler Space Telescope, which was designed to find planets in the habitable zone. It's discovered thousands of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars far away from our own. Some of these exoplanets are located in their star's habitable zone, making them prime candidates for the search for life. Kepler's discoveries have given us a better idea of where to focus our search for alien life. And we can't forget about the James Webb Space Telescope. This incredible piece of technology is going to give us a closer look at planets that might be able to support life. It'll be able to analyze the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, searching for signs of oxygen, methane, and other gases that might indicate the presence of life. With all these tools, scientists are getting closer and closer to finding signs of life. It's just a matter of time before we uncover the truth: life in our solar system. But the search for extraterrestrial life isn't just limited to distant planets. we don't even have to leave our own solar system to look for alien life. There are a few places right here in our backyard that might have the conditions for life. One of the top contenders is Mars. In the past, Mars had liquid water on its surface, and scientists believe it might have supported microbial life. Today, we've got rovers on Mars, like Perseverance, looking for signs of ancient life. Who knows what we'll find down there? Another place in our solar system that could harbor life is Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. Europa has a massive subsurface ocean beneath its icy crust. Scientists think that water could be in contact with the moon's rocky core, creating the conditions for life to form. Could there be alien life swimming around beneath the ice? It's a possibility. And let's not forget about Enceladus, one of Saturn's moons. Enceladus has geysers that shoot water and ice into space, and scientists have detected organic molecules in those plumes. Could these be signs that life is living in the oceans beneath the moon's icy surface? It's another exciting possibility we're investigating right now, the future of discovery. So, what's next in the search for extraterrestrial life? Well, there are some huge plans for the future. Scientists are designing new missions to places like Europa and Titan, Saturn's largest moon, which has lakes of liquid methane. These moons could hold the answers to the question, are we alone? We also have space telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope that will continue to study distant exoplanets. With the ability to analyze their atmospheres in detail, we could soon detect signs of life-supporting gases like oxygen and methane. The search for extraterrestrial life is just getting started. While we haven't found any definitive evidence yet, we've discovered so many exciting clues along the way. And who knows, maybe in the not-so-distant future, we'll make that big discovery. We might find life in our own solar system, or we might find evidence of alien civilizations light years away. Whatever happens, one thing is certain: the journey is just beginning.